Realme is soon going to launch some new devices in the Indian market like the Realme Pad X, which is a budget Android tablet, and also the Realme GT Neo 3T, which is a high-end smartphone. And as per an exclusive report by 91 Mobiles, the Realme GT Neo 3T is launching in India by the end of this month or in early July. And going by the name of this phone, you may think that this is an upgrade over the Realme GT Neo 3, which is already available in India. But that is not the case. Instead, it is the other way around, which means the GT Neo 3T is going to be a cheaper phone than the GT Neo 3. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Realme GT Neo 3T is a rebranded Realme Q5 Pro that launched in China a couple of months ago. Moreover, the GT Neo 3T is already available in the European market at a starting price of €399 or around 33,000 rupees. So what is so special about the GT Neo 3T? Well, in one line, the GT Neo 3T is just a Realme GT Neo 2 but with faster charging. Yeah, the pattern on the back is a bit different, but if you talk about things like the chipset, the display, the battery size or the cameras, all of that is the same. So the Realme GT Neo 3T has Snapdragon 870, and as we know, the Snapdragon 870 is the most balanced chipset under the flagship series by Qualcomm. There is LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The battery size is 5000 mAh and there is 80 watt fast charging. For comparison, Realme GT Neo 2 had 65 watt fast charging. In terms of cameras, there is a 64 megapixel primary camera with no OIS, an 8 megapixel secondary camera for ultra-wide shots, and a 2 megapixel macro shooter. On the front, the GT Neo 3T has a 16 megapixel camera. There is a 6.62-inch 120Hz E4 AMOLED panel with up to 1300 nits of peak brightness. The fingerprint scanner is present under the display, and there are also stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. Well, with these specifications, there is no doubt that Realme GT Neo 3T will start under 30,000 rupees in India. And even at that price, there is a tough competition from phones like the iQOO Neo 6. The Neo 6 has the same chipset, the same display, and even the same 80 watt fast charging. Realme has an edge over the Neo 6 in terms of software because FrontEdge OS is definitely not better than the Realme UI. Anyways, what do you think should be the starting price of Realme GT Neo 3T? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I will catch you in the next one.